come from? Sue, where are you? I found something!
Oh, Sammy! Did you find my shoe? Any chance you've seen the other one?
Sue, how can you be so absent-minded? You're gonna miss the carriage. It'll turn into a pumpkin.
Sammy, just help me find the second shoe.
I can't promise you a carriage, but we can make the second shoe for you.
You're my fairy godfather, Sammy.
We'll make it with the help of 3D technologies.
And my ordinary shoe. It will be the base of our masterpiece. This way we won't mess up with the size. Cinderella's shoe was a bit too large, remember? That's why she lost it.
Since I'm your fairy godfather today, let me offer you some magic.
Already?
Yep, why wait?
Ooh, I can see you're serious about that. Go on.
I need to recharge the magic wand. I wasn't ready for doing magic.
All right, I'm going to cover the shoe with sticky tape. We'll need your magic later today. Guys, give a thumbs up. This will definitely recharge Sam's wand with craft magic. Did you know that different nations have their own fairy tales about Cinderella? All in all, there are about 1,000 variations of the story. It's incredible! Fun fact, the first story about Cinderella was found in ancient Egypt. There was a pharaoh instead of a prince, a slave girl instead of a stepdaughter, and gilded sandals instead of glass slippers. Still, we'll follow the classic story. We'll try to imitate glass. Take a transparent rod. It will form the base. Later, we'll color it. Let's make the frame first.
Sue! There will be no more magic. I think the wand broke.
What do you mean?
I wanted to surprise you and turn a pumpkin into a carriage, but I failed. I didn't dare try it with Ginger.
Sammy, Ginger will run away from us one day. Oh, are you upset?
Nope, I thought that we'd be better to make a pumpkin pie.
Oh, that's a good idea. Cooking is also about magic, you know.
I agree, but you need to be more skilled for making a pie.
I can bake a pumpkin pie. We'll make it after the craft. Guys, be very careful when working with a 3D pen. Its tip is very hot.
And more thumbs ups, otherwise no magic.
Sammy, there will be magic anyway. Magic is not in the wand.
What do you mean, not in the wand? Then why do I take it every time?
I don't know, Sammy. Magic is inside of you. Remember?
Yeah?
Yeah, so maybe it's you who needs a recharge to do magic?
You're right. I need some sweets. Nutella. Or a couple of Snickers bars.
There's some in the kitchen. In the meantime, I'll finish the frame of the shoe and join you for a sweet recharge. Ooh, it's coming out very unusual. It looks like a crystal web.
I want to show you the strongest spell. This magic can affect the viewers. Ready, steady, go! Bibbidi, bobbidi, subscribe-ity!
Sam, where are you? I need a 3D pen. Sam!
No freedom of creation. Coming! Spipper me, Treaders, there's something on my way again. Oh! I'm all in fairy dust. I'm falling. Oh, cannoli. Something soft and airy.
Sammy, what an incredible fairy costume you've got. So shiny.
Do you like it? I conjured it up myself because I'm a true fairy. It appeared on me by magic. I didn't even get how.
I think that sweet recharge was a success. Time to continue working.
You've been a long time in the kitchen. I'm afraid Nutella suffered from your spoon a lot.
Don't worry, you can summon more sweets. You know how to do magic.
Yes, and now we'll see if the subscribe spell works.
Guys, don't fail us. Subscribe and hit the bell button. There's magic inside you, too. In your fingers, mostly. They are really good at pressing buttons on a touch screen.
So, I still don't understand how Cinderella could walk in glass shoes.
What can't you understand, Sammy?
Well, glass is fragile and cold. Maybe that's why she lost the shoe.
Actually, there's a theory that the fairy tale was translated wrong. And originally, Cinderella had fur shoes.
Whoa, that's what I'd call a shoe. Comfy and warm.
In the tales of different nations, Cinderella had shoes of silk, gold, silver, also diamonds and red velvet with pearls.
The next pair we make will be silk, and we'll add lace.
Okay, Sammy. Then learn how to sew.
What makes you think I can't?
Fine. What have you sewn?
Have you seen my awesome costumes? I make them myself.
Can you make one more thing? Do some craft magic for this shoe.
Easy peasy. Abracadabra, done! Da-da-da. Da-da-do.
Sammy, what are you doing?
Wait, you one moment, just a second, please.
Sam, it's time to continue. I want to finish this craft quicker.
Done. I've got a surprise for you, being your fairy stepfather and a decorator master. Here's an accessory for your outfit. What do you say?
Whoa, so beautiful, Sammy. How did you know my ring size?
Well, I searched through your accessories, measured, and designed this.
Oh, I love it. I think it's going to be the best ball of my life. All thanks to you, my dear slime.
I did my best.
Now let's cut the shoe.
So, I worked so hard you'll ruin it. The magic will be gone.
It's necessary. Otherwise, I won't be able to get my shoe out.
Fine, but be very careful. I'm worried.
Guys, Sam's right. Be very careful making this craft at home. Not only with the shoe, but also with pliers. You'd better ask an adult to help you.
So, you're gonna glue it back together, right?
Of course! Check it out. It's better without a shoe inside. It looks so fragile and fabulous.
That's what I'm saying. Connect the parts.
Why are you so worried?
Because it's your ball soon and the shoe is not yet ready. I am a fairy, okay, but I can't stop the time.
Yes, we don't have much time, but we can do it, Sammy. Don't worry.
It's because of this attitude that the carriages turn into pumpkins and the coachmen turn into rats and lizards, or even hamsters.
Sam's so concerned that I'll be late for the ball, like a real fairy godfather. In the meantime, I'm making the shoe sturdier. I'm planning to dance all night. We need to make it two-layered. Apply the stripes along and across.
Shoe, don't forget the heel.
Sure, Sammy. The main job's done. Now I need to decorate the shoe. First of all, let's color our shoe.
And then we can add decor.
Right you are, Sammy. Look, I took this magic blue pearly color. Beautiful.
You bet. I chose it. The best decorator in the world.
I know, Sammy. You have a weakness for glitter. We can cover the whole shoe with this polish. Check out the end result. Very elegant and beautiful.
Wait, Sue, wait! Sue, you forgot the fairy dust!
All right, Sammy. Let's add some magic.
Sue, I sketched some ideas. Oh, good macaroons, how beautiful!
They're all good. Do I have to choose? Oh, it's hard.
I recommend this one, just like in the movie.
Huh. You're right. I love that movie. I should rewatch it. And I don't want to argue with the great decorator. I'll make it using this template not to make a mess. First, we'll draw the outline and then fill it in. It's very delicate work.
Sue, you should make the butterfly 3D, as if it's about to fly away.
First of all, I'll fill the wings with hot plastic. And then bend one pair of wings a little bit. There.
Guys, be careful. Don't burn yourself with a 3D pang. Sue, time to do magic again.
I agree, Sammy. Whoosh. It came out wonderful. I'm gonna fetch the glue gun.
skibbity.
Wow, Sammy, how did you do that?
I don't know what you're talking about. Well, Sue, are you ready?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Let's head to the mirror. Listen, I think it's all right this way.
Sammy.
All right, I'm just kidding. Sue, pretend that you're already wearing a dress. Turn round and around.
Okay. Wow, Sammy, how did you do that? It's so beautiful.
Of course, I'm a fairy godfather. Let's continue. Magic of the beauty, I summon you. Woo! Sue, clap your hands.
Oh, awesome. I feel like a princess. What's next?
I've got it all figured out. Here comes the main part.
Hooray! It fits perfectly. So beautiful. I'll try not to lose it.
Sorry, Shuba, I can't turn this pumpkin into a carriage. And, Ginger's gonna remain a hamster, no horses.
Sammy, it doesn't matter. I have a perfect look. My dress is gonna be the best outfit at the ball. Thank you so much.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye-bye. Remember to have courage and be kind.